Well, today I'm creating a Hawaiian mixed berry smoothie. I'll be using bananas and frozen mixed berries. Well, 300 grams of frozen mixed berries. About 3 cups of orange juice, fresh orange juice. So first, we're gonna put the one date, right here. Then you add the Greek yogurt, which is about 2 tablespoons, and you add the peanut butter for more protein, so you put it here. Next, you add the protein. You add like 1 tablespoon of chia seeds, put them here. And you have bananas. This is 1 medium banana. This is frozen and they're chopped and ready. Sliced and ready. Put them here. Then there's pineapple pieces. This is about harder than 50 grams of pineapple pieces. You put them here. Then you have mixed berries, about 350 grams of mixed berries. So you put them here. And here's for the blender. For about 2 minutes. to make a tasty Hawaiian blackberry smoothie. And if you want a more the sugary type of this, you can add almond milk. I would take the same amount of almond milk instead of the juice. And that was a YouTube video, so if you like it, please subscribe. And now we're gonna add this here. It's very tasty, as you can see. And it's very easy to create this smoothie. It doesn't take very long. If it's not, as I said, if you don't want sugar, you can always use almond milk. You can switch almond milk out for you can use for almond milk instead of the orange juice. Well, thank you for watching, and if you like it, please subscribe. Thank you.